Good afternoon, kids. Grandma Freeman here. It's a very hot Sunday afternoon, and I got my roast on. This is the chuck roast that I got from Kroger's on sale this week, and I have seared it on both sides with a little bit of oil, vegetable oil, and I sliced up 2 cloves of garlic and stuck them in the cracks where the marbling is. My sister Nadine tells me marbling makes it very juicy, so I expect to have some good gravy out of this pot. And then I peeled an onion and cut it in half and sliced it, so I have half of an onion, 1/4 pieces of onion sliced up. And also I topped it with this herb. Actually, it's a bunch of herbs all together. It comes in this little jar. It's called Herbies, they say it sounds like Herbies de Provence. And this is a well-known mixture of herbs, and it has a beautiful aroma, and it should make this very delicious. It's a little bit hot for my herb garden right now, and everything is a lot scorched by the hot sun here in southeast Texas. So I'm using this to give this roast a good flavor. Also, I did salt and pepper both sides. I braised one side and I salt and peppered it, and then I turned it over and it was nice and brown, and I did the other side. And then I used 2 cups of water after I put my toppings on it, and this has to cook for 2 hours. I set my clock for 2 hours, and I have 1 hour and 57 minutes left until this is ready to put some potatoes and carrots, which I need to peel. I always peel my potatoes and carrots for my roast. And I'll put that in there at the end and cook it until those are done. And then I'm also going to make a nice salad. I have lettuce and tomato and bell pepper. And I think I still have some cucumber in there. I'll check that. And then we'll sit down to a nice dinner, Sunday's dinner special. And I'll have leftovers, I hope. Have a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.